Let's make a grace hour on Vuma 103. Ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi ke bamba sengivala. Ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengivala before uphume namhlanje ekseni. Bamba sengiyavala. Ekseni namhlanje kumhla ka 19 February 2020. Allow me to speak to you ekseni before you start your day. Ngaphambi kokuba uqala usuku lakho, before you go out, before you can go out emsebenzini. Funa ukuthi bamba sengivala, ngifuna namhlanje sibheke ukuthi who are your friends, bheka abangani bakho, obani abantu abangabangani bakho. Abangani bakho, they can make you a better person, they can also make you a bitter person. Abangani bakho can make you umuntu ongcono empilweni, futhi abangani bakho bengakushonisa phansi. Check who are your friends this morning. Khona abanye abantu abangaphumeleli empilweni, hayi ngoba bengaphumeleli empilweni, but ngenxa yabangani abanabo. Who are your friends this morning? Abanye abantu ufuna ngabe bakude nempilo, kodwa bekho la okufana ngabe bakhona ngenxa yabangani abayisurrounde nabo. Abantu abasurround impilo yakho ibona abazokwenza ube ngcono empilweni noma bazokwenza ushonele phansi empilweni. They can increase you, they can also decrease you. Bengakushonisa phansi futhi bengakunyusela phezulu. Ake ubheka abangani labo basondezeka ngeke empilweni yakho. Are they making any positive impact empilweni yakho noma bakushonisa phansi? Abangani bakho, they can be a blessing empilweni yakho, they can also be a burden. Bengaba umthwalo empilweni yakho. Just check abantu osondelene nabo, ngabe bayenzana empilweni yakho, ngabe bakisa phambili na noma bakubuyisele emuva. Ngifuna ubheke namhlanje wenze review kuma friends onawo empilweni yakho. Abanye abangani baba khona mayihamba kahle izinto, kodwa mase ibheda bayakubalekela. Abanye abangani baba nawe ngoba bebenefita kuwena, kodwa mase kufanele wena uthole okuthile bese beyakubalekela. Awenze review namhlanje abangani bakho. Who are your true friends? Ngabe wena umngani wabo noma yibo nje abamngani wakho kuphela? Check abangani bakho. Abanye abantu futhi barathi sibathandela kude singabasondeza eduze kwethu, ngoba make basondela bayasibulala. Ake ubheke namhlanje abangani bakho. Some of your friends, they can develop you empilweni, some can just destroy you. Ake ucheke, are the people around you developing your life or they are destroying your life? Abanye they can be a blessing, abanye they can be a burden, abanye they can increase you, abanye they can decrease you, abanye they can make you a better person, abanye they can make you a bitter person. Ake ucheke abantu nabo. Khona abanye abantu abakuthanda usahlupheka, kodwa once waphumelela baqala bayakuzonda, baqala bakhuluma kabe. Ngaba abangani bakho ngempela yini labo? Check your friend namhlanje ekseni. Just review ilist yabangani bakho ukuthi banjani. Abanye bahleka nawe phambi kwakho, kodwa once bashona eceleni bese beyakuhleba bekhulume ngawe. Abanye bayajabula mabe phambi kwakho, kodwa mase besukile phambi kwakho bashe ezinye izinto. Ngisho no Jesu wakhaphela umuntu wayomngani wakhe, wakhaphela umuntu wayejudas owayehamba naye njalo, waje kwamkhaphela kwawuyena akamdayisayo. Ake ucheck abangani bakho, ake ucheck ukuthi success yakho ayibanjiwe yini ilabantu babiza ngabangani. Ake ucheck ukuthi impumelelo yakho ayibanjiwe yini ilabantu basondeze eduze kwakho, ngoba uzoba ilento abangani bakho abayiyona. Uma abangani bakho bebheda nawe uzobheda empilweni. Uma abangani bakho bengakhulumi ngempumelelo nawe ngeke uzuphumelele. Ake ushintshe ukwenza, ake ushintshe ukwenza izinto njengamanje, ureviewe abangani nabo, ngoba impilo yakho imile nje ilabangani bakho abakwenza izinto ezingekho right. This is the Mega Grace Hour on Vuma 103 ekseni kuVuma 103 FM. Check abangani bakho namhlanje siqala usuku, ake ucheck ukuthi ngabe benzani empilweni yakho. This is the Mega Grace Hour on Vuma 103 Adult Radio for the Young at Heart. Igama nguPhumlani ngwaKaNkwanyana sibonga. Siphinde sihlangane futhi kusasa noma kanjani kusasa ekseni between 5 and 6 kuVuma 103.